On which car there is a resultant force? Now there are two options given: a car moving uphill at constant velocity, a car moving on a straight horizontal road, a car that is stationary, a car moving at constant speed around a bend. So whenever you are performing such type of questions in a test, either it's a NEET test, MDCAT, whatever it is, you have to be very fast. So first of all, try to understand the question: on which car there is a resultant force? Force arises when there is acceleration. Force is a product of mass and acceleration. So you have to find out that in which case we have an acceleration, because mass is available in each case. So the case in which car have an acceleration, it will have a resultant force. So the first option, uphill at constant velocity means zero acceleration. Moving is in a straight horizontal road, again no acceleration. Stationary, no speed, no acceleration. Car moving at constant speed around a bend. So when a body moves on a circular path, its direction continuously changes. As the direction changes, so the speed means velocity changes, and change in velocity is acceleration. So you'll get acceleration in this case. So the correct option is the fourth one. Come to the next one. A particle of mass m at rest is acted upon by a force P for time t. Now you should note it immediately that the force is denoted by P, capital P. For time t, time is t, the second variable, its kinetic energy after time t is, you know that the kinetic energy is given by the formula K is equals to half mv square. So you need what? You need force in it. Force means you need acceleration over here, because force is ma, product of mass and acceleration. So how we can shift this v to a? By multiplying and dividing it with t, time. As it is given in a square, we have to do in the t square format. Now when it will come as a square, then this m should also be in the form of m square. So what you will do is, first of all, check it out what happened over here. This will become m v square over t square into t square. Now you can see that this one, the above term gives acceleration, but one m is missing. So as I told you that we have to multiply and divide it by m also. So we'll do it, and we'll get over here m square, and over here m. This 2 is also there, which is written in the bottom. So you can see that this becomes this m square v square over t square, and over here we left with t square over 2m. So this becomes m square a square, and this is t square by 2m. So you'll get what? Force, and force is given by P. So this is P square t square over 2m. So the correct option is the second one.